Hello everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to solve a query, and the query is write a query that return the count of 4. You will need to count on the column for fruit name and not use count star. So we have in this query it's saying you have to count, and count should be 4, but you should not use count star. So this is my table. Select star from fruits, and this is my table fruit names. So here I have these two entries and 2 are empty. So before getting in the query, let's understand some few points like what count star does. So when we use count star, it count all the rows, even null duplicates, even null or duplicates. So if I will apply here count star, so it's going to count null row as well. So it gave me result 4, but the query is saying you should not use count star. So if I use field name instead of star, my field name is fruit name. So let's see what the output. So it gave me count 2, because when we apply field name in the count, it count only rows without null value. So the question, and if we use count distinct field name, so it ignore the duplicates and it gives only unique row count. So we have a function coalesce function, coalesc coalesce function. So what does this function? This function assign some value into the null value. So we use coalesce function, and we use first argument, we will give column name, on which column we want to apply. So we want to apply on fruit name column, and second argument we will pass like what value we want to print in place of null. So I want to print none in place of null as total. So let's execute this query. So now it printed none in place of null value. Now we can use count function, and now it will give me result 4. So this is the how we solve the query, and here we haven't used star. Instead of star we use coalesce function. So coalesce function basically insert some value in the place of null, and then we use count function. So I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.